Hey guys, today I'm going to be making a clear blue fishbowl bead slime. So what you're gonna need is some clear blue, and some free and clear Tide, blue food coloring, and some fishbowl beads. So first, I'm going to add in my glue. I'm not gonna add the whole gallon because I don't have a big enough bowl or container for that. So yeah, I'm gonna need that much glue. Put the cap back on. And now I'm going to add the blue food coloring. Don't go everywhere, okay? Because usually this goes everywhere. This is very strong, so I didn't want to add a lot. Oh wow, it looks like really dark bluish, purplish. Oh wow, that's really pretty. So now I'm just going to mix in. If you hear any like thunder or rain in the background, it's because it's raining and thundering outside with lightning. Hold on. Okay, I'm back now. So now I have my free and clear Tide. And so you're gonna do a little bit at a time because slime can overactivate really fastly. So I eyeball it and I add a little bit at a time because you don't want it to overactivate, and then it's gonna be really stiff and you won't be able to play with it. So I'm just going to mix it together so it can come together. And yeah, and it's going to take days to clear up, so I can't instantly play with it. So once it's all together, I'm gonna have to put it in the container and wait 2 to 3 days for it to be clear, and then I'm gonna add, oh wow, that thunder is really strong. Then I'm gonna add the fishbowl beads. So as you see, it's coming together with that little bit of activator that I used. That's why I said that you don't need to use a lot of activator. So it's still kind of sticky and it's not all the way together, but it's coming together really nicely. So I'm gonna add a little bit more activator. I don't want to add a lot because I don't want it to overactivate. And I think I should add some more glue because I think I just put a lot of activator. So let's pour some more glue in there. And a bit of food coloring. So yeah, just like making slime over and over again. Can you guys see that? It looks really, 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 really cool. So, how was your guys' day? My day was good. I got to film this video for you guys, and I got to spend the night at my friend's house. So, yeah. And my mom surprised me and said that in a couple days I can go get acrylics however long I want them. Look at that, you guys. It looks really cool. You see how sudsy it is? It's starting to come together really, really well. So this time I'm gonna add a little bit, not a lot like last time. I think the thunder is starting to stop. Do you guys think I should go in with my hands now? I think I should. I'll just take that off. Place the spoon there. Get some activator on my hands. Rub it in so the slime doesn't stick to my hands. Well, it's gonna stick to my hands, but come together also. Do you see that? It's like a blue ocean. I hope this slime turns out really good. And it's not a fail. Let's just be quiet and listen to this ASMR. Sorry guys. So now guys, I'm gonna put it in the container. Well, just a little bit more. Can't wait for this to clear up, you guys. Now, I'm gonna put it in the container. So let's move the bowl aside. And let's grab our container. I have a lot of containers. So let me just get this one container. There's the container. Now we have to get the top. Now I have the top. Now I'm gonna put the slime in there. And yeah. Come back. And then you guys will come back in 2 to 3 days. And it should be all cleared